Hey guys, my name is Rue Reese. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to be checking out Huntington Beach, LA, episode 1. Let's go! Right, so we get down to Huntington Beach. The town itself is sick. It's like a proper little surf town. It's kind of like reminded me of like North Sydney, the northern beaches in Sydney. Super nice. Anyway, we have a little stroll around the town, have a look around, see what's going on there. We go for a little walk on the pier. The pier's really nice. There's like the beach is super nice, super stunning. So we go for a walk on the pier. We go down the beach. We think, right, fuck it, we'll set up camp straight away. Me and my mates are like, oh yeah, let's just jump in the sea. Let's go and have a little look. As I'm walking down to the sea, I see a couple of surfers. So I think, oh, cool. They're surfing off the pier, and I think, okay, might be a nice little situation to grab my GoPro and film them maybe, get a few little shots of the guys surfing. I grab my little GoPro out of my bag, I take a stroll down to the sea, me and my mates jump in, put my little GoPro in my mouth. It's got like a little gum shield thing, kind of like put it in your mouth so then wherever you're looking, basically the GoPro can see what you're doing. So yeah, put my little gum shield in like I've done 1,000 times, about waist height, waves are really small, dive in, boom. GoPro's gone. It's gone. Straight away. Never happened to me before. Literally just went straight out of my mouth, and like the rip under the water was so fucking strong. It was unreal. It literally just took it straight out of my mouth. Seeing it went literally couldn't see it, couldn't find it. My mates looked for ages. Me and my mates were looking for ages, but like I said, the rip under the water was so strong. It was just literally just gone. Devastated, absolutely devastated. Me and that little GoPro have had some fun times together. Like, I know it's like a little gadget, but I get sentimental about little stuff like that because me and that little GoPro have done so much together. We've been all around the world together. We've seen some sick shit together. So yeah, I was super gutted. That just spoiled my day. So yeah. But I'm not gonna let it go without a final goodbye. So as a final tribute to my tiny little square GoPro Hero Session 5 or whatever it was, I'm gonna put some clips together of some of our best moments together. So here it is, enjoy. Sad times, he is gone now, gone forever. But maybe it is time for an upgrade, so we'll have a little look later. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all we got time for today. That was episode 1 of the vlog. If you want to see some more, then hit the subscribe button. If you liked it, like it, and yeah, cool. I'll catch you in the next video. Look.